Hey everybody, it's Neil. The box broke open, but I want to show you what I have here. I have some lights. We have the USB plug to plug it into the wall. We have some twist ties, and then we have some remote and some vines. Now let's go ahead and check these out here. We can open it. It's open here in the middle. So these are the vines. So we've got a long string of a bunch of vines here. Yeah, it looks like they're all kind of individual. There. Yeah, it looks like I have to undo all these twist ties to get them open. Another one. Okay, so because what this is going to do is going to give us a wall of vines that are lit up. Okay, do we have them all? No, one more. Man, there's a lot of twist ties. Two more. Okay, another one here, and another one here. Okay. So the way they will be is each vine, well, there's a few vines here. Let's see, we have the vines, and they can hang from anything. I can hang some from there. This is a big long one here. Oh, they're very long, twisted up. Okay, and then what we have is we have the lights. So let's go ahead and open this up. See what we got going here. It looks like we have the option of USB or batteries. So I'll just stick some batteries in here. I happen to have 3 batteries just sitting here. 3. And it's got a little waterproof kind of case on it here. Close that up. And here we go, now we have lights. Okay, and it's got instructions as far as what will happen at each of the buttons on it here. I'll show you. It says 1 is combination, 2 is in wave, 3 sequential, 4 is slow go, 5 is chasing flash, 6 is slow fade, 7 is twinkle flash, and 8 is steady on. So that's what we have here, and we have all these lights here, so we can run them along our vine. We can twist them in and out of our vine, have vines with lights, and lights with vines, and have our little twinkle lights going. And these ones here are, I don't know what's set at now. It's alternating, I guess, is what it's doing now. But you can see as I push the button, you can see that, because it switches. So this is an in wave, whatever that is. Hopefully you can see that. And then sequential, kind of like that one. But you get the idea, so you can have those with all these different vines and have all the vines going all over the place. They are very long vines here. You can see we have long vines. It looks like we have 2 that are connected together right here. So you get the idea, have vines going everywhere with lights on them. So pretty cool, nice concept, and it'll be fun. Thumbs up.